Here I have Honor 8X, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So in my case, let me clear the history on Chrome. Let's open the Chrome, use the following more key, select here the settings, scroll down, choose privacy. Now let's scroll down again and choose clear browsing data. So here you can clear the following basic stuff, or you can choose advanced, and here you can clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cache images and files, save passwords, autofill form data, site settings and media license. What's also really important, you can set up the time range. You can clear the last hour data, or you can, for example, use all time. So let me use all time. And let's choose clear data. That's it, we just clear data from the Chrome. Everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.